Meaning of index-linked.
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 Index-linked. The term index-linked typically refers to a financial product or investment that is tied to the performance of a particular index, such as the stock market, inflation rate, or commodity prices. This means that the value of the investment will rise or fall in accordance with the performance of the underlying index. Index-linked investments are often used by investors looking to hedge against inflation or gain exposure to a specific market segment. Additionally, they can be used to diversify a portfolio and potentially generate higher returns than traditional investments.